In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file. Now there's two methods that we can try to fix this. The first one is we want to head over to Windows Security. In Windows Security, what you want to do is you want to find App and Browser Control. So open up this one. From in here, find Reputation-Based Protection and click on the settings. Now in here, what you want to do is find potentially unwanted app blocking. And then we want to try and disable both of these and then try and see if it works. If it works, we're just going to enable it again after we have opened the file. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is you can find the file that you cannot access. So let's just say in this case, it's this one. What you want to do is right click on it, Properties, head to Security, and make sure you're using a user that has access to it. So let's say you normally use this one. This is what I normally use. You want to press Edit and make sure that Read and Execute, that Deny is not ticked. Sometimes it's already ticked, and obviously if it's denied for Read and Execute, you cannot use it. So you want to make sure that your user that you're currently on does not have Read and Execute denied. Now, once you've done both of these, it should hopefully work. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.